It's a standing committee meeting of the Anglican Communion Church of Nigeria holding in Lagos State. In attendance are the primate and other bishops of the church. Also invited are Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu of Lagos State and Governor Nyesom Wike of Rivers State. The occasion provides Governor Wike an opportunity to again remind the church of the critical role it has to play in the governance of the country.
Bishops, clergymen, we also have role to play. We are tired of you saying, it is politicians. Whatever they want to do, let them do. Don't agree to that. Because you are leaving them to determine how your life will be.
He says the church can no longer afford to sit on the fence and watch as the economic and security situation in the country deteriorates.
We must be part of choosing leadership. Don't say you have no role. You have a role. I've never seen well-timed financial week. Some of you say, well, let's go and pray. Go and vote, then you go and pray. So that God will help to protect the votes. Don't say you will not. When you don't, a bad leader will emerge. And when a bad leader emerges, you are part of it.
Governor Wike also speaks about what he says is the injustice being meted out to Rivers State by the APC-led federal government.
You have gone to take loan, and one of those states that will pay back that loan. And you do not need to benefit from the project that money will be used. I have no problem. Allow me the one that the Constitution says I'm entitled to. Let me correct that one and develop my state. He said no.
He further accuses the APC-led federal government of not only impoverishing states, but also turning governors who are forced to besiege Abuja on a daily basis to beggars.
Somebody will fly. It doesn't matter the turbulence. Just to go and shake President's hand. And then you come back. I went to Abuja today to greet Mr. President. That's what you leave your state. To just go and greet Mr. President. Mr. President, I'm one of your loyal boys. A governor of the state has become a loyal boy.
Highlight of the occasion is the conferment of the Church of Nigeria Award for exemplary leadership qualities in a challenging economy to Governor Nyesom Wike of Rivers State, Babajide Sanwo-Olu of Lagos State, Rotimi Akeredolu of Ondo State, and Dapo Abiodun of Ogun State.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.